Well, Pete, 3 points was always the priority, but is that a night that should have been much more comfortable for Wales?
That's what everyone expects, right? And that's the demands we put on ourselves as well. I thought you saw that today with the players. They really wanted to give the fans some more goals. I thought, like, in the first half we had some good moments, but it was that little final bit that was missing to really turn it into goals. We did that a lot better the second half. We went through a spell where I think we created quite a few opportunities after each other, hit the post, create some dangerous moments. But you know, if you don't finish or score that second goal and really score that third, fourth, it becomes a tricky game. So we had that in little moments, but look, like you said, it's important that we won today. We did that, and now we move on to North Macedonia.
You mentioned the final third. It felt like a lot of good work, process, just no end product at times tonight. Is it frustrating? Is it a concern at all at the lack of goals, considering the opposition?
It's the hardest thing in football, right? To score goals. So it's definitely something that we keep working on, and it's, like I said, it's the demands we put on ourselves as well. When we play the type of opposition that we play today, we want to be more dominant in the scoreline, but that starts with a good performance. And like I said, some spells today, it was a really good performance. We created some really good moments, but we definitely want to do more with those moments and try to score more goals. Then it becomes more comfortable, the space opens up more, and that's really when you can then start to see more goals in the game. But you know, like I said, it's really important that we keep working on that, and that we, like we said, we review the game. We will see what we can do better in those moments, and I'm sure we'll be prepared for North Macedonia.
Jordan James got the important goal in the end, followed by a yellow card. Him and Ethan Ampadu won't be available on Tuesday night. How much of a blow is that, considering they are key parts of that midfield?
No, it's a shame to lose 2 players with a yellow card. That's the reality. But we have a good squad. We've had moments before where we've had suspensions. We've had moments before where we've had players missing through injury, like we have this camp. And we'll make sure we adapt. You know, we'll look at what the threats and the weaknesses are of North Macedonia, which players can fill in, and we go from there.
Finally, we'll obviously be hearing from Craig on Monday ahead of the game, but the good news is it's still very much in our hands on Tuesday night, isn't it, Pete?
Exactly, and that's what we needed to do today, right? We needed to win. We did that. Of course, we wanted to give the fans a little bit more in terms of the goals, and you could see that from the reaction from the team in the dressing room. They wanted to give the fans more in terms of the goals, but you know, like you said, another big game at home, and hopefully we can give the goals then.